circumstances. We've been advised early that a whale has been involved. I mean, whoever would have thought that that would have occurred? So it's terribly tragic, and we just, as I say, feel for those family and friends. This morning, 2 guys would have got up to go out and enjoy themselves fishing, something that I and most people in New South Wales love to do, and we've ended up in a tragic set of circumstances.
And best wishes to the families who are going to be receiving some very, very sad news later today. It's an absolute freak accident, but also shows the dangers that do happen on waterways.
At 6 a.m. this morning, police responded to reports of 2 people in the water just outside the headland past Port Botany. When police arrived, the 2 male persons from a vessel were rescued, and unfortunately, as we know, one of those male persons has been confirmed as deceased.